to our channel. Let's do it together. Super delicious, guys.
So tender.
You're gonna forget your name. This is all the ingredients for pork barbecue Filipino style. Put 1 cup of Coca-Cola, 1 teaspoon of ginisa mix, 1 sachet of barbecue marinated mix, mamasita. It's very easy to prepare this one. So usually whenever we cook a Filipino style barbecue, we always use a charcoal, but during winter days it's hard to do that. So we're just gonna use our propane grill.
It smells so good.
Also good. I just squeeze 1 lemon. This is dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon because it's so dark. And then we just adjust it later on if you want more color. And we'll put like 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I always use garlic powder because if I use the fresh one, once you barbecue it, it will become better. And I don't like that taste. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, brown sugar, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of salt. You can adjust it later on according to your taste. But you all have the ingredients. It's upon your taste buds. And we'll put the
Black pepper.
Yeah, the black pepper. 1 tablespoon of Juptran banana ketchup.
Oh, hard to put it.
Yep, it's like a jelly. Now everything in. I put the 1 lemon.
Gonna mix it.
Gonna mix it. And it's better if you marinate it longer hours. Like the longer the better. So as much as possible, I would like minimum 24 hours of marination. It's the best. You see the color? I'm not yet happy with the color, so I will put more. 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Remember, we put the Coke, it's sweet. We put the sugar, like 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. So we're gonna adjust from there. See, very nice. Alright. And I want it to be more lemony, so I will just gonna add a zest of lemon.
Smells so good.
Now we're gonna mix it. So you have to cook 1 piece of meat, so you gonna know the seasonings if balanced or not. Taste it. I will try 1 piece of that before I cook all the batch.
And I try?
Yeah. You tell me. Well, the taste is a bit different if you cook it in a grill. Come on. It need more salt or it's okay?
It's perfectly fine to me. Oh, can I have more meat?
This one I will try. Okay, you want to try more? Okay. Like it? Yeah. It's already good. Tastes so good. So I put already 1 cup of cooking oil. This is the lemongrass that we put. This is the basting for our Filipino pork barbecue. So you see it's already cooked, the lemongrass. So the aroma is already extracting. I put the annatto powder.
Mamasita.
And garlic powder. This is for the basting for our Filipino style pork barbecue. And a little bit of
Pepper.
yeah. And I'll put also some tomato sauce. Smell that?
Yeah.
Smell it? Smell good, hey? That's it, guys.
Yeah, that's it for pasting.
Not pasting, basting. So we just put the barbecue in the skewers. This is the bamboo stick. We soak it in the water for overnight. So So if you will not do that, your bamboo stick will burn once you put them in the barbecue grill. So don't forget to do that. You just put like this and you're good to go for barbecuing this pork.
So we're gonna put like our basting. So we're gonna try it. Yeah, a piece. It's delicious. Your turn, Daddy. Okay, so we're gonna eat it.
Yeah, I'm gonna give one to my daughter and she's gonna love it. I'm gonna taste it.
So good.
Super delicious, guys.
So tender.
You're gonna forget your name. So yummy. Okay, bye for now.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next
Video.